Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store opens and closes immediately. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, type Wsreset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Store, click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Microsoft Store Install Service, change Startup type to Automatic. Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Open Client License Service, change Startup type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Fifth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.